Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, for example Chrome. Then you tap here in the corner, go to the history section, tap clear browsing data. You can perform a basic cleanup or you can perform advanced cleanup. Here you can select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you can select which data formats you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. And then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.